Today, we're diving into 7 AI tools so powerful they feel illegal to use. These tools can generate human-like voiceovers, turn text into videos, and remove image backgrounds with a click. We're in 2025, people. The future is now, and it's powered by AI. And the craziest part? All the tools we're talking about today are completely free to use. Whether you're a content creator, student, entrepreneur, or just someone who loves tech, these tools are going to blow your mind. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's jump right into the top 7 free AI tools that feel illegal to use in 2025. First up, we've got ElevenLabs. This tool is one of the most realistic AI voice generators I've ever used. Just paste in your script, choose a voice, and boom, you've got a professional quality voiceover. But it gets even crazier. ElevenLabs allows you to clone your own voice. Record samples, feed them into the AI, and it will generate new audio that sounds exactly like you. You can even use your cloned voice to speak in different languages. This is a game changer for creators looking to expand their reach. Next up is Remove.bg, a lifesaver for anyone who deals with images. No more spending hours removing backgrounds in Photoshop. Upload any image to their website and their AI instantly removes the background. No more fiddling with lasso tools or magic wands. Just pure, effortless background removal. Think about the possibilities. Creating stunning thumbnails, cleaning up product photos, or even just messing around with memes. Remove.bg is a game changer for anyone who wants to save time on image editing. Now, I know you already know about ChatGPT, but are you really using it to its full potential? ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's like having a super-powered AI sidekick. It can write entire video scripts, generate creative ideas, and answer complex questions. Imagine this. You're stuck on a tricky coding problem. Instead of banging your head against the wall, you simply ask ChatGPT for help. Or maybe you need some inspiration for your next YouTube video. Boom, ChatGPT to the rescue. It's the ultimate productivity tool for anyone who wants to work smarter, not harder. Chapter 4. InVideo AI. Generate entire videos from text. Seriously. InVideo AI takes automation to a new level by allowing you to create entire videos from text. No more spending hours editing footage or syncing audio. Paste in your script, choose a video style, and let the AI work its magic. In seconds, InVideo AI generates a complete video with synced voiceovers, visuals, and background music. It's like having a personal video editing team at your fingertips, ready to bring your ideas to life. Chapter 5. Leonardo AI generates stunning AI images in seconds. If you're a content creator, you know how important eye-catching graphics are. Leonardo AI allows you to generate stunning, professional quality images in seconds. Just type in a prompt, and Leonardo AI will bring your vision to life. No more searching for the perfect stock photo or paying for custom graphics. Use it for YouTube thumbnails, game art, social media posts, or anything else that requires visual flair. Chapter 6. Opus Clip. This AI edits your videos for you. Attention all content creators. If you're tired of spending hours editing your videos, Opus Clip is your new best friend. This AI-powered tool helps you repurpose long-form content into engaging short-form videos. Opus Clip analyzes your videos, identifies impactful moments, and automatically edits them into bite-sized clips. It's like having a personal video editor working tirelessly behind the scenes. No more struggling to condense hours of footage into a few short minutes. Opus Clip does the heavy lifting for you. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to maximize the reach of their videos without spending all their time editing. Chapter 7. Perplexity AI. It's like ChatGPT, but smarter. If you thought ChatGPT was impressive, wait till you get a load of Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI provides accurate answers, real-time information, sources, and concise summaries. It's like having a super-powered research assistant at your fingertips. It understands the context of your query and provides comprehensive answers with citations. Whether you're a student, writer, or just someone who values accurate information, Perplexity AI is an invaluable tool. Outro. Unlock the power of AI for free. Let's recap the incredible AI tools we covered today. ElevenLabs for generating human-like voiceovers, Remove.bg for instantly removing image backgrounds, ChatGPT for being your AI sidekick, InVideo AI for creating entire videos from text, Leonardo AI for generating stunning visuals, Opus Clip for automatically editing your videos, and Perplexity AI for next-level research. These tools are revolutionizing the way we create, work, and learn, and the best part is they're all completely free to use. So which one are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech4U for more game-changing AI tools and tech tips every week. This is Tech4U, helping you save time, work smarter, and create better. See you in the next one.